have been abstinent longer than I've been married and sexually active.
Hold on. Don't speed past that. Don't.
Something that happened to you is not your being, is to get to know the person that something happened to.
Well, I feel like you set me up a bit.
What was imperative for my growth was getting to know the version of Daniela that wanted to be chosen.
Because one of the things I had to like detach or not take on the identity of was this good girl thing.
Wait, what kind of good girl are we talking about? Probably not the one I'm thinking about. Never mind. Go ahead. Keep going.
And I found a blessing in the reserve and the restraint that I can't get, slapping uglies with someone.
Oh, you like me too? Okay, great. Oh, you want to get married too? Me too.
What I thought me doing these things would give me, I did not get. I am 29, not married.
It is those practical everyday things that are going to fortify the trajectory and health of your marriage.
So I don't say to anyone that I'm a divorcee. I'll say I've been married before and I am divorced.
To be firm in your boundaries and flexible in your acceptance.
He will do what he said he will do.
Jesus now died on the cross
for you not to orgasm. Let the church say amen.